morning, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to this course on fixed wing glider design, aero modeling, a guide to design strategy and practices. So, basically, this is India's first aerospace open research digital platform presented by Aerosastra. I am from Aerosastra and I'll be your instructor for this course. Before we begin, I would like to take a moment to thank you all for choosing to this course. Aeromodeling is a fascinating field that combines the principle of engineering, aerodynamics and creativity. Whether you are a seasoned aero modeler or just starting out, I am very much confident that you will find this course both challenging and rewarding. In this course, we will be discussing the various aspects of fixed wing glider design and aero modeling. We will cover topics such as material selection, its aerodynamics, its flight stability and control, and fabrication techniques. We will also discuss some of the latest design strategies and practices that are used in the industry today, like 3D modeling. You can see there are so many tiny aircrafts. All these are 3D model, which is made from SolidWorks. So we will also be building and testing prototype to validate our design and gain hands-on experience in the field of aero modeling. So basically, this in this online session, this is not possible. I will make some model and I will uh, show you this is how the model will be flying. But I am very much confident if you do this course, if you uh, go through this course, I am 100% sure next flying machine what you are thinking right now, you can design that, you can fly that. This is my confidence. So without further ado, let's dive in and start learning about aero modeling and fixed wing glider design. So outline of this course will be, first of all, I will introduce to you aero modeling, and also I will introduce to you that is the area of aeronautics, the area of astronautics and area of aerospace, how these things are interrelated to each other, what are the definitions of these terms, these domains basically. Then I will introduce to you that is aircraft, what is basically an aircraft, and I will introduce to you glider, and I will tell you what is the basic difference of aircraft and glider. Then we will go down the line and we will see how the aviation it has evolved with time, what are the different changes have been made till now. We will look into that. Then we will try to get the answers of this famous question, how an aircraft fly, what are the physics, what are the mathematics behind that. Then we will see if one aircraft it is airborne, then what are the different motions it can do, it can perform. So basically this is nothing but aircraft 6 degree of freedom motion. Then we will see wind tunnel testing. Then first of all we should understand what are the wind tunnels basically, and what is the it was wind tunnel testing. So I will tell you about the importance of wind tunnel testing basically. Then I will introduce to you what are the different components of a glider. After that I will tell you about I will introduce to you about the airfoil and airfoil theory. Then airfoil geometry we will see. Then I will introduce to you the definition of angle of attack and what is the center of pressure in aircraft. when it is in airborne. Then I will tell you about what is the lift and what is the relationship between the angle of attack and lift. Then I will introduce you about the NACA airfoil. So basically NACA airfoil is nothing but the National Advisory Committee of Aeronautics. Then I will tell you about some NACA airfoil examples. Then I will introduce to you the aerodynamic forces and its formulations. What are the different aerodynamic forces when one aircraft it is in airborne, and what are the different aerodynamic forces are there, and how can we formulate that, I will introduce to you. Then I will tell you about the importance of stability. I will tell you about the definition of stability. In that, longitudinal stability, lateral stability, and I will introduce to you the stall, how it is. All these things are very much important in flight stability and control. Then I will introduce to you some wing platform designs and what are the best suitable for our purpose, our application. We will discuss on that. Then I will tell you about the what are the different type of drags, and what are the different type of reducing that drag, like wing tips and all, and other method of reducing drag. Then I will tell you about the glide ratio, how one glider can be made or can be designed more efficient. In that I will introduce to you about the glide ratio, how it could be, how it should be, effect of static margin and longitudinal stability, how these two things are very much interdependent to each other. Then I will show you about the we will discuss about the glider design basically. Then I will tell you about the design wheels, what are the different phases of design, and I will tell you about wing designs, wing selection, airfoil selection, then tail design and sizing criteria. Then I will tell you about the what should be the dihedral angle and its sizing criteria. Then we will see some practical glider designs. First of all, we will design some tiny chuck gliders. Then we will design some RC glider and RC glider with low velocity. After that, RC aircraft with moderate velocity, like 12 meter per second with a higher weight. Then I will introduce to you some related electronics. And finally, I will introduce to you glider RC aircraft design application software. I have designed one application software. By using that software, you will be able to design your own flying machine. So, would like to see you all in the course. So, until then, happy learning, tata, bye bye, take care.